They're just trying to chew your shoe. Freya thinks, wow, they are nice bodies. Who is climbing on me here?
Yeah.
This is the silver puppy boy with a white patch. We call him Peso.
That's my face though.
Yes, you are. That sounds like Daddy is back. You'll be going to the zoo in a minute.
No.
Ah, that's the blue girl with the red collar, being very boisterous. Kali. This is a blue boy. Who is here? Hampton, Peso, and yeah, this is Peso, and that's the other silver puppy boy. So there are 3 silver puppy boys, but the one with black and blue collar is reserved. Who is a cheeky monkey hiding behind the ivy? Who's chewing my ivy? Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop. Who's that? Oh, that's Freya. Hi, Freya. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're all climbing on me now, eh? You're climbing on me now. They're all attacking you. And there is Kali hiding in the ivy as well. Little monkeys. Hi, Freya, baby.
No, no. This one's